Welcome to the Mariculture Lab. Stay with us till the end as we explore today's topic. Today, we focus on World Fisheries Day 2025, highlighting India's blue transformation and the growing emphasis on value addition in seafood exports. World Fisheries Day highlights the vital role of fisheries in food security, livelihoods, and ocean health. It also reflects the challenges and innovations shaping aquatic ecosystems. India's 2025 theme, Blue Transformation, focuses on value addition and sustainability, supported by FAO, ICAR, NFDB, and the World Bank. As a bonus for our viewer, here are the key institutions guiding global fisheries. This is a gift from the Mariculture Lab. According to FAO's SOFIA 2024 report, global fish production reached a record 223.2 million tons in 2022, reflecting steady growth in aquatic food systems. A historic milestone was also achieved. Global aquaculture production surpassed wild capture fisheries for the first time. The sector now supports over 60 million jobs worldwide and contributes more than $424 billion to global GDP, providing essential protein to over 3.3 billion people. Underline the importance of aquaculture for future food security. The graph here shows why 2022 is considered a major turning point. For the first time, global aquaculture production rose above capture fisheries, as seen in the sharp upward trend of the maroon line. This reflects improved feed, breeding, and water quality technologies, especially in Asia, and highlights how sustainable aquaculture is easing pressure on wild fish stocks while supporting growing global demand. This graph is taken from FAO SOFIA. India exported 17.81 lakh tons of seafood in 2023-24, with frozen shrimp leading overall value. NFDB and ICAR continue to advance species diversification, biosecure hatcheries, improved feeds, and stronger cold chain systems, strengthening India's competitiveness and quality in global markets. This graph highlights India as the top producer in inland capture fisheries in 2022. FAO SOFIA 2024 reports that over 35% of global fish stocks remain biologically unsustainable, underscoring the need for climate-resilient practices. NFDB and ICAR promote ecosystem-based management, low-carbon aquaculture, and efficient feed use to reduce environmental impacts. The World Bank emphasizes digital monitoring, traceability, and blue economy initiatives that improve transparency and value creation. Together, these efforts support a more sustainable and inclusive fisheries sector. Strengthening India's blue transformation beyond 2025 requires stronger value chain integration, especially in cold chain logistics, certification, and digital traceability. Empowering coastal communities through training and financial inclusion is essential for equitable growth. Continued collaboration among ICAR, NFDB, FAO, and the World Bank will drive science-based policies, green technologies, and climate-resilient ecosystems. These are the institutional sources used in this presentation, including FAO SOFIA 2024, NFDB, ICAR, IMPEDA, and PIB. We are the Mariculture Lab, where knowledge meets curiosity and science meets the sea. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. We'd love to have you with us as we continue exploring the world of fisheries and aquaculture. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.